Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever wondered if a bold lipstick could actually last through everything your day throws at you, from coffee to kisses to that end-of-day meeting? Well, today we're going to test a liquid lipstick that promises just that. A stay-all-day, kiss-proof, and waterproof matte finish. Meet the Rimmel London Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade 200 Pink Blink. This product is marketed as a full-coverage, 12-hour wear lip color with a lightweight formula. But does it really live up to the claims? Let's dive in. First off, let's talk about what this lipstick is all about. It's a liquid lipstick that promises intense color, a matte finish, and a formula that stays in place for up to 12 hours. It's touch-proof, kiss-proof, and the vegan formula is meant to give you full coverage in just one swipe. The packaging is sleek, and you get 0.21 ounces of product, which is pretty standard for liquid lipsticks. The shade 200 Pink Blink is a vibrant, playful pink that offers a bold, high-impact color. Now let's talk about the real-life testing and how this product actually performs. In terms of texture, the liquid formula is lightweight and applies smoothly with a doe foot applicator. It's definitely not too thick, which I really appreciate in a matte lipstick because we all know how drying some formulas can be. But this one, surprisingly comfortable. I tested it throughout the day, and I was impressed by how it held up. I applied it in the morning, and it stayed in place through coffee, a sandwich, and even a few kisses from my husband. Yes, I know, kiss-proof claims are always a big deal, but this one actually delivered. Now let's be real, every product has its ups and downs. The pros? First of all, the color payoff is incredible. One swipe is all it takes to achieve that bold, full coverage. The shade Pink Blink is bright but not too loud, making it perfect for everyday wear or a special night out. The formula is lightweight, so you don't feel like you're wearing a heavy lipstick, which is a huge win for a matte product. And yes, it's definitely kiss-proof. On the flip side, the formula can feel a little dry after a few hours. That's pretty typical for matte liquid lipsticks, though. It doesn't feel uncomfortable or flaky, but it does have a tendency to settle into fine lines after a while. Another minor downside? While it's waterproof, the removal process can be a bit tricky, so make sure you have a good makeup remover on hand when it's time to take it off. In terms of value for money, Rimmel London Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color falls into a mid-range price point, which is great for those looking for something that performs well without splurging on high-end brands. It's affordable, it delivers on its claims, and it's a solid option for anyone looking for a long-wear lipstick. Given its performance, I'd say it offers decent value for the price. Comparing this to other liquid lipsticks in the market, there are definitely some that offer similar wear time, but Rimmel really nails the balance between comfort and longevity. Some higher-end formulas may have a more luxurious feel, but they also come with a higher price tag, so it really depends on your budget. Now, when we talk about build quality, the packaging is simple and effective. It's not overly flashy, but it does the job. It's sturdy, with a tight cap that ensures no accidental leaks or spills. As for the longevity of the product itself, given its long-lasting claims and the fact that it doesn't dry out or flake easily, I think it will last for quite a while without needing to be replaced. As far as customer support goes, Rimmel London generally has a good reputation for responsive customer service. I've had no direct interaction with them on this product, but the brand is known for handling queries and issues promptly. Now, if you're not totally sold on this product, there are alternatives at a similar price point that might suit your needs. For example, Maybelline's Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick is another great option for long-lasting color. It's a bit more intense in terms of staying power, but comes with a similar price tag. Both products have great color payoff, but Maybelline's version might feel a bit more matte and less moisturizing, so it depends on your preference. So, in conclusion, does the Rimmel London Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color live up to its promises? Absolutely. It delivers on long-lasting, bold color, and it truly holds up throughout the day. Kiss-proof and waterproof included. The slight dryness after a few hours is something to keep in mind, but overall, I think it's a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable matte liquid lipstick. If you found this review helpful, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review from Beautyistic. Your support helps us continue bringing you honest, expert-level reviews. Thanks for watching, and if you've used this lipstick, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.